I'm so delighted to have the opportunity at the beginning of my term as President of the State of Israel to take part in this historic opening of the Embassy of the United Arab Emirates in Israel. We are both nations that cherish our history and traditions while pushing the very boundaries of innovation and science. We are deeply rooted in our land while having our eyes on the stars, whilst we both build on our modern states out of the desert sands. We made the impossible possible. And we have both created vibrant, multicultural societies through an unwavering commitment to religious freedom and human dignity.
3, 2, 1. The market is open.